full on the back of the chair. Don't put your head back on the chair. Just back only. Your back has to stretch, that's all. And your left foot, your right foot over the left foot. Fisting the hand, putting it on the abdomen area, below the abdomen. Close your eyes. కళ్ళు మూసుకోండి. మీ ఏకాగ్రత the tip of the nose, inhale and exhale, normal breath. You are with the normal breath. You are so calm, so quiet, so cool, fully relaxed. You are with your natural breath. Inhale and exhale, normal breath. Your mind is with the breath. The breath is going inside and coming out. Keep the concentration with the normal breath. No contraction, expansion of the breath. Now, I want you to take a deep, long breath. Hold it for some time inside the lung. As long as possible. If you are unable to keep it inside the lung or stomach, exhale very slowly, very slowly, without making any noise. Every time you inhale, the mind becomes so calm, so quiet, so cool. Take another long deep breath. Hold it inside your stomach as long as possible. And if you are unable to keep it inside, exhale very slowly, very slowly, without making any noise. The mind has become so calm, so quiet, so cool. Take another long deep breath. Hold it for some time inside the stomach as long as possible. If you are unable to keep it inside, exhale very slowly, very slowly. The mind has become so calm, so quiet, so cool. Now I am going to take you to your childhood days. Now I am going to take you to your childhood days. You are studying in 7th standard, a small boy, wearing the school uniform. Assume yourself wearing the school uniform. Now you are going back to your past time, younger days. You are a high school student studying 7th standard. The school bag is hanging on the shoulder, right shoulder. So many books are neatly put inside the bag. And you are standing in front of the kitchen. Your mother is inside the kitchen preparing your lunch pack, waiting for the mother to deliver the lunch pack to you. You are with the school uniform. The school bag is being hung on the right shoulder. Your mother has given the lunch pack. You are putting it inside the school bag and you are moving to the school now. It is 8:30 morning. You are going to the high school where you completed your high school studies. You are going to your high school and standing in front of the main gate. You are able to visualize the past things which had happened. You are standing in front of the school gate. Both the gates are open. Inside there is a big playground. You are seeing it. So many students are playing in small groups, but you are not going to involve with the game. Yourself and some of the friends are getting inside the gate, walking towards your classroom. You are seeing the headmaster's room, headmaster sitting inside, sports room, teacher's relaxation room. By crossing all these things, you are standing in front of your classroom now, 7th standard, high school student. Your classroom doors are open. You are sneaking inside the classroom. So many co-students are sitting on their benches without making any noise. The classroom is so calm, full of peace. You are getting inside the classroom, putting your bag inside the drawer, your usual place, sitting on the bench, seeing in front of you there is a table and a chair, your class teacher's chair. You are seeing in front of you there is a big blackboard which is attached to the wall in front of you, 4 feet height and 6 feet length, a big blackboard. You are seeing in front of you, over the table, there are so many chalk pieces, big and small, different colors. There is a duster. On the blackboard, there are so many squares drawn in yellow chalk piece. By using the yellow chalk piece, so many squares are drawn. To look at, there are 3 rows. The first row, there are 10 squares. Second row, 10 squares. Third row, also 10 squares. By using the yellow chalk piece, horizontal, vertical lines are being drawn. It seems 10 squares in first row, 10 squares in second row, and 10 squares in third row. By using the white chalk piece, the numerics are being written inside the square. The first row, number 1 to 10. The second row, 11 to 20. Third row, 21 to 25. By using the white chalk piece, it is being written inside the yellow square. You are seeing it. It is visible to you. A big blackboard, your high school, 7th standard classroom, you are sitting in your bench. Opposite to you, the big blackboard is attached to the wall, 4 feet height and 6 feet length. What I am going to do is, I am going to count the number in descending order. from 25 to 1. Once I count the number, you are able to see the number in the blackboard. Try to visualize, try to imagine, let the number come and go for a fraction of a second. Once I say the number, you are going to see the number on the blackboard, number 25, the third row, 25. Inside the yellow square, by using the white chalk piece, you are seeing the white colored number 25. It is visible to you. Your classroom, sitting in your bench. Opposite to you there is a blackboard attached to the wall, number 24. You are seeing number 24 in the blackboard. White color, yellow square. Number 23. You are able to see the number 23 in white color inside the yellow square. 22. Let the number come and go for a fraction of a second. 21. You are able to see the number 21 on the blackboard. Now slowly you are getting into the second row, last number. Number 20. Yellow square, white number, 20. You are able to see the number. 19. Let the number come and go for a fraction of a second. You are seeing it on the blackboard. Number 20. You are able to see the number 19. 1 and 9. You are able to see the number 18. White colored number. Yellow square, number 17. Let the number come and go for a fraction of a second. 16. You are able to see the number on the blackboard. Number 15. 1 and 5. Your mind is so calm, so quiet. You are seeing the number 14. White colored number, yellow square. 13. You are seeing the number 13. Number 12. You are able to see the number 12 on the blackboard. Yellow square. White number. Number 11. You are able to see the number 11. 7th standard classroom. Now you are seeing the number 10, the last number in the first row. Now whatever I say you are going to follow without opening the eye. Once I say the number, you are lifting your eyeball towards the eyebrow. Number 9. Slowly the eyeball going towards the eyebrow. Slowly the eyeball going towards the eyebrow. Number 8. Slowly the eyeball moving upwards towards the eyebrow. The eyelids are getting tightened. Number 7. The eyelids are getting tightened. If you want to open the eyelid, it is very difficult for you to open it. Number 6. The eyeball is fixed with the eyebrow. It is also stick with the eyebrow, it is not coming down. Number 5, you are trying to open the eye. The eyelids are getting tightened. You are unable to open it. Number 4, there is no thought in the mind. You are feeling like sleep like state. Number 3, there are no thoughts in the mind. You are feeling sleep like state. Number 2, you are completely relaxed, no thoughts in the mind. Although you are able to hear me, you are not attached to the external world. Number 1, you are into the alpha state of mind. Enjoy the moment for some time. Till I say open the eye, don't open the eye. Enjoy the alpha state. Mind is so calm, so quiet, so cool, no thoughts in the mind. Now, once I count the number 5, you are going to come back to normalcy and you try to open the eye. At the count of number, you are going to come back to normalcy. Number 1, slowly come back to your body. The eyelids are getting loosened. The eyeball is coming downwards. Number 4, the eyelids are so free. It is ready to open the eye. Number 3, slowly you are trying to open the eye. Number 2, slowly you are opening the eye. You are coming back to the normalcy. Open the eye. Come back to normalcy. Relax yourself.